welcome to the video. So today we have E02 error, disassemble engine lazy spa. Yeah, this is the new model engine from 2001 and up, and this is the pump what we're gonna get to. So enjoy the video, like and subscribe, hope so it will help you. E02 error, how are we gonna do it? So that's normal engine from lazy spa. Make sure you have that unplugged and then turn the engine on the side. So when you did it, then 6 screws. You pretty much can unscrew in this one, but like I will do it in a later stage. For this you will need a longer screw driver. So this one is the normal one, yeah, and only for that screw you will need a little bit longer. So this screw is hard to get, yeah. With the small you will be not able to reach it. Only this on the right. That's all what you need for this dismantle. 2 screwdrivers. Then also screws to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. So this one will just open like that. Pull sideways. Don't worry, this one will fall off like angles. You can slide them back in, just in the position. So 3 screws here, 1, 2, 3. Black one, you see them black. Yeah. So the next step will be turn around the engine. See from the bottom you will have 6 screws again, and unscrew them. So you take these 2 screws out, so you lose the cable. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You need a long screwdriver for this one. So extra long one. Something like that. Compared to normal one, it's pretty long. Yeah. Here I have the engine fully open. Now you will have to little struggle with it to just pull it out, but it's easy. Just make sure those pipes on the other side they just loose, and you will be able to pull it. I'm doing that with my one hand, so you see it is possible to be done. When you pull it out, that's all what you need. You have plenty of access to take those screws out. You can turn around on the water pump, whatever you need, just lose all those screws. 6 of them. In the next part of the video you will see how I disassemble the water pump. Yeah, the propeller and shaft was stuck together because of the hardness. Yeah, so what I did is like I lose the shaft, clean a little bit, brush it a little bit so it is loose inside the propeller. Yeah, that was all what I need to do, and then to put it back. You can see the screwdriver I'm pointing, that's the part that was stuck, so I just clear it and then put it back together. You can also replace it for the new one, we have the spare parts for it, but like it was not necessary for this one. So when you're putting this together, yeah, just be careful on this thing. Yeah, this has to be flush. All of them, like when you put that thing together, it's like a rubbers. No, so if the assembly was good, I'm gonna test it. It's on. One button. I'm gonna press that. You can hear it. It's moving now. So
course the E02 will come, but we already did it.
Thank you for watching. Hope so this helped you. Please like, share, and maybe comment so it help this video to be seen by more people. Hope so this all help you. It's not that hard. It look like. I mean, you probably do it in 10-15 minutes if you want, but like take a time, make sure you put all screws and assemble them all together and then test it on the jacuzzi. That's all. Have a good day and thank you for watching.